All right, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate layers right here. All right, and you should have started a canvas with these specifications, enable the legacy shape, watch these 2 tutorial videos, and now I'm making this tutorial video right now, which is duplicating layers. Let's go to duplicate layers. So in Photoshop, I have my canvas. I'm going to create a face. So I'm going to make eyes first. So I'm going to hold Option or hold Shift to constrain it to be a circle like that. Okay. And then again, I can change my fill color and I can change my stroke color or have no stroke color at all. I'm going to have a stroke color. All right. Like that. So how do you duplicate shapes? You are going to go here, click and drag this layer, and then you will see this plus sign. That's a new layer. If you click on it, you create a new blank layer, but that's not what we want. I'll do Command Z, and I'm going to click and drag and put it in this plus sign right here. And look, I have an extra layer. You can double click on these to rename. So this is my left eye. And then I'll double click on this one, and this will be my right eye. And then when we go back to look at this, you're like, oh, I don't see the other duplicate. No, it's layered on top of itself. So you can't see it until you actually use the move tool to move it out of the way like this. Now you have a starting of 2 eyeballs, and that is how you duplicate layers.